What's going on? Oh man, wow, I just wake up this morning, and I go sleep well. And they tell me say for Instagram and for YouTube or everywhere, say Bobrisky don't die. My brother,
Who said that?
you know hear the news. Say IT talk say for YouTube one girl where they speak wrong pidgin and English language. Say Bobrisky don't die. Say yes, they say ANT or AIT card. I don't know what they talk. Now him Bobrisky post for Instagram page say anybody will want kill and I ain't go first die. But why they not go one kill and now? When she they take money, they intimidate everybody. She not go give us. The way they talk herself.
Is he a she or a she or a he?
He's a guy. He's a guy. She. He's a guy. She. You are asking me how will I know? Have I been there before? They say she has breasts. Some say she put pad inside. But me no concern me. You don't know say nothing. But that Bobrisky die no die no concern me. But why I go one kill him? But all those bloggers who they try keep us where they are alive. Now God go punish you now. You know no girl news. They find traffic. No people go to keep us when they do on your own with they flex. But Bobrisky don't do anything to now. She just the catch her phone, or he, she, just the guy, she, just the catch her phone. Okay, the guy, she, just the catch her phone. So why the people on her body? The money when she get, if she done, you go shop am. When you go just go and pay the beggar, we can give you money, or make you send a cash card, give you, or make you send your account, make you do something for you. There, the envy persuade pass you. But so don't pass you. Not way if you do am, my brother. You either support the motion or you keep short, and stop trying to kill somebody when never die. I wouldn't just make a fool and talk. You know good. I'm enemy Wisconsin. But you know Bobrisky now? Okay, you know I'm okay. I'm a very popular guy she. Wow. I rest my case so I don't talk as stay with me. I'm enemy Wisconsin. I know my enemy homeless. They'll never have peace of mind. I'll lie. They're not gonna see us pussy we don't die.